Yo, welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you can see, the truck is still alive and kicking. Everything's been working good. I haven't been doing any off-roading or anything because of the transmission incident, replacing the transmission and stuff. I'm trying to take her a little bit easy on it for now. Maybe in the future I'll get back out and start doing some more off-roading and stuff. But for now, yeah, just kind of taking her easy, getting some miles on it. Transmission seems to be holding up good. Everything seems to be working good on it. Took it out today. It was all polished up. Then all these roads just got salty. Typical Minnesota winter. Everything just gets pure salt. I try and clean this stuff off here as soon as I can. This just happened earlier today, so not even a couple of hours ago, but you can see stuff sticks to everything. And because of that, what happens is your vehicle, I know some of you guys spotted the rust on here a couple videos back, but it starts rusting on these Dodges right down here by the bottom rocker panel, which if this was cleaner you could see it better, but you can kind of see where it's starting to ripple again a little bit right in here and right in here. So depending on if I'm around home all summer or not, I'll probably try and get that fixed again. I had this fixed once before. They just kind of grinded off or replaced the bottom roll sheet of metal, which worked really good. That lasted for, man, it's been many years already, probably 10 years I would guess. But it's getting about time to do it again. So if you just even throw a little bit of maintenance into your vehicle sometimes, they last a long time. So other than that, the other side is actually a lot better. This is a passenger side door here, and this has one little spot right here, just basically right here. And this side's been beautiful here. It's really nice. So, but anyway, I know you guys don't want to see a video just talking about that little bit of stuff there, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get some more videos coming after a while when it warms up here. But we got to see what's going on with this coronavirus and all that crap in the next couple weeks. Hopefully it's not affecting all of you too badly. So stick in there, and we'll catch you guys around. You want to see any other videos? Favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and leave comments. Let me know what you guys want to see. Alright, later. Thanks for the support too, guys.